morning, audiences.
Morning.
Okay. I hope this morning is the blessed morning we ever had. Also we welcome our two very smart and intelligent professor from other faculty. The first is Dr. Evi Nurfidia Arifin. Give applause to her, please. And also Professor Chi Lung Sai. Give applause to him, please. Yeah. So today we have an international conference with the prospects and promotion of trade, intercommunication and historical ties, Andaman-Nicobar Island and West Island-Sabang, Aceh, Indonesia, with the sub-theme, the study on aging and mobility, shared experience in India and Indonesia. So, me myself as the co-moderator, Nawalis, and now I'll give the time and place for the main moderator, Mr. Azhar Taha SS. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for all of you that coming here, and welcome to Professor Dr. Sai Ching Lung from Tamkang University, Taiwan, and welcome to Dr. Nurfidia Arifin from University Indonesia. We will welcome with all the respect for your willingness to be present at the International Conference House in the Almuslim University, Sangan Birun Aceh. The sub-theme today is the study on aging and mobility, shared experiences in India and Indonesia. Welcome also to the participants who have been present in this room. Thank you very much. And we hope that all of you feel comfortable and can participate in this event as well as possible. And when you go home later, bring the greatest possible benefits. Let us please to keynote speaker, please, dear people. But the first, maybe we give a time and place to Mrs. Evi from Universitas Indonesia. Okay, please.
Thank you very much. Very good morning to all of you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And I would like to convey my gratitude to you, and also to all the Muslim staff that are here happy to share experience. We can share and learning from each other. And I think I'm happy to be here. First is that yesterday we just celebrated, not yesterday, because now it's 23rd, right? 2 days ago we celebrated Kartini Day. And here today in this room, I'm happy that I see more Kartinis in this room. So that's actually, I'm proud of being Indonesian, and I think we should be proud of being Indonesian, being a girl, being a lady in Indonesia, which is now you can enjoy the life and then learning as many as possible, which is in the past Kartini just how she struggled for us to improve our human capacity, human capital. And I think within that note, it will back up. Can I have my slide? Or you want to? Oh.
Today, I'm going to give you buy one and get another one free. Utama gratis. Okay? So, actually, I prepared another PPT set that is to fit the conference theme about the Andaman-Nicobar Islands and Pulau Way, right? Yeah, let's look from the Taiwan point of view. And but the theme for this panel is on aging and mobility. And actually, I have been doing that.
Thank you for all participants. And thanks to good keynote speaker who presented their paper with so nice and interesting. Thank you all participants. The conference may bring and add to our knowledge, provide great benefits. And inshallah, thank you very much for our organizers who have worked hard in organizing this event. Thank you for analysts, thank you for Abang, and all participants here. The closing with Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Give applause.